Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request our friends from the media to please settle down. May we request once again to please settle down?
Una, sir. Una sa upuan. Cellphone sa harapan, pababa.
Mic.
Una po. Una po. Stop. Una po. Ate, yung cellphone mo, ate.
Good morning, everyone. Sir, good morning, everyone.
Walang audio. Walang audio. Walang audio. Walang audio po. Speaker na lang audio.
We will now entertain questions from the media, and we would like to remind our friends from the media to limit one question and one follow-up question. Our first question will come from ABS-CBN, Mr. Jeffrey Hernandez.
Good morning po, Secretary. Secretary, pakikwento lamang po, no, yung mga nangyari po mula po sa inyong pag-usap sa Indonesian authorities hanggang sa tuluyan po na mailipat po sa Philippine authorities itong custody ni Mayor Alice Go at maiuwi po siya dito sa Pilipinas.
Ayaw pa po to.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.